We're almost a couple months away from Christmas because it's kind of warm and a little bit sticky out there this morning. So, yeah.
Kind of got that mist going outside.
Yeah, some fog to slow you down this morning. Potentially the severe weather threat is what we're mainly concerned about later on today. Let's take a look at kind of the recipe card of what we look for when there's a severe weather potential in the forecast. We look for warmth near ground level, humidity. Well, we've got that this morning. Cold air above our heads helps the storms take off. Wind energy to get the storms organized, maybe help them spin, and a trigger to get things started. Well, we're going to have some of those. Definitely have the humidity this morning. That'll increase even more. A lot of wind energy in the atmosphere overhead. That's definitely not lacking. And there's a cold front coming in from the west to get things going. The question is, how much do we warm up today? There's going to be some scattered showers out there this morning, and that could really limit how much our temperatures get warmed up during the afternoon. Just a little crack in the cloud cover, though, would boost our temperatures to the mid-70s. That would produce enough contrast between ground temperatures and things farther up in the atmosphere to get those storms going. So it's a borderline severe weather setup, something we're going to have to monitor throughout the day. Just plan on staying weather aware this afternoon. Nothing out there in terms of precipitation this morning, just that fog out to our west and southwest. That's where the rain is. We do expect scattered showers this morning. Again, root for rain this morning. That would help to limit the warm up before the storms arrive this afternoon. Moving in from the west by early afternoon, marching through the triangle around 3, 4 o'clock this afternoon with some potential for damaging straight line winds, and then things move off to the east very quickly, and we manage to dry out as we head through tonight. The clouds will clear out and temperatures will really drop off. But while those storms are going, it's a slight risk of severe weather, which is level 2 out of 5 on the Storm Prediction Center scale. This is not an off-the-charts threat, real borderline setup, mainly from the triangle to the south and east is where I think the best mix of ingredients is going to develop by mid-afternoon. Damaging straight-line winds are the main concern, but enough wind energy in the atmosphere for that potential of an isolated tornado. We'll be here to keep an eye on things for you. This morning, visibilities are okay. They have been dropping a little bit as that cloud cover settles down near ground level, but it hasn't dropped all the way to the ground in most spots. A lot of clouds over Chapel Hill, but again, there's a difference between these low clouds and clouds just sitting on the ground in the form of fog. We can deal with this for the morning commute. Temperatures are warm at 60 degrees right now in the triangle, 61 degrees in Durham, mid to upper 50s farther north, low 60s south of the triangle. Unusually warm for an October morning. Temperatures running close to 15 degrees above average. A very slow warm up initially because of the fog, the low cloud cover, eventually a chance of showers, and then warm enough for maybe a few storms, especially south of the triangle by noon. The better chance of thunderstorms in the triangle is going to be from mid to late afternoon, with those temperatures warming up to the low to mid 70s, just barely warm enough to support that even outside chance of a couple severe thunderstorms. Something we're going to have to watch, which we always do when there's this much wind energy in the atmosphere, but it's, again, a borderline threat. We dry out the rest of the week. Temperatures pretty close to normal for mid to late October. The weekend brings us a chance for some showers, about a 1 in 3 chance. I really think the better chance should hold off until early next week, Monday and Tuesday, but a lot of conflict in the long-range data. The computers are fighting with each other, so we'll put them in a corner and let things sort themselves out later on.
Absolutely, and we'll get through today first.
Yes, this afternoon, just make sure you're kind of plugged into what's happening.
Absolutely. Keep an eye on the forecast, that's for sure. 5:20 right now, looking pretty good for the most part. Don't have any crashes to talk